What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions of the Amazon Fire Max 11. So I'll come back in a future video after using this for a while and give you my review on it. So I picked this up from Best Buy during the Black Friday or sometime during that time for $149. Now normally runs about 230 bucks. So I got a pretty good decent discount on it. I've always bought these Fire tablets dating way back, all sizes. So I had not picked this one up, so I decided to pick it up. So some of the features and details. This is the 13th gen 2023 edition. This has an octa-core processor, the MediaTek MT8188J. This has 4 gigabytes of RAM. You can get this in 64 gigabytes of storage all the way up to 128 gigabytes. Now I picked up the 64 gigabyte. This has a 2K 11-inch display, 2000 by 1200. This is made out of aluminum construction. Has a micro SD card where you can put a storage up to 1 terabyte in it. Has USB-C 2.0, and it's going to be good for watching your movies, TV shows, games, and things like that. Reading your Amazon Kindle books as well. Shopping. It's kind of an all-in-one tablet. Quite sure everybody's familiar with the Amazon Fire tablet. So this is a Fire Max 11. This is the biggest one they ever had, and it's made out of a whole different material as well. Some of the specs is the box here, this side of it, and then you got some more specs up here as well. Some of the same stuff I read off. So let's go ahead and get the box open and check it out. See what we got here. So normally I'll get these and use them for a while and then end up giving them away. This time around, this has 4 gigabytes of RAM. That's the most RAM that these have had. So we're going to check this out. And I may decide to keep this one this time. So in the packaging, you're going to get your charging brick right here. So it has the Amazon logo on there, as you guys see right there, USB-A, and then it's a 9-watt charger as well. So you get that in there. You're going to get some paperwork right here. You get your micro SD card slot 2 there, and then it gives you a lot of the stuff here, instructions telling you what the buttons are and stuff like that. You also can get the keyboard and pen for this as well. I did not get that. I don't think I'm going to need that for, you need something like that for this tablet. And you're also going to get your charging cable, USB-A to USB-C. So that is everything that's in the packaging. Let's go ahead and look at the tablet. So here it is. The back, you see the Amazon logo there. Some regulatory stuff there. You got your camera here, which is a 8 megapixel. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the display here. And then you got another 8 megapixel on the front, I believe. This side, you're going to have your volume up and down, your power button, your Type-C charging port, 2 microphones, and your SD card slot. The bottom, you got your pogo pans and your 2 slots there for the keyboard that they make. This side, there isn't anything. And that is pretty much it, guys. The tablet here, front facing camera, you got your 11-inch display here. Small bezels going around there. You got your 2 speakers up here on top. No speakers there. These are Dolby Atmos tuned as well. So this should sound pretty good. But like I said, this is just the unboxing. We're going to go ahead and use this for a little while. In a future video, I will come back and review it. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.